What is up guys, and welcome back to a brand new video today. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you a way how you can be earning some free money back from Aliexpress when you are doing your dropshipping orders. Now just before we get started guys, please smash the like button down below. I don't know many people who have made a video on this topic, but I've been using this for 3 or 4 years now and I've earned an extra $20,000 from this method, and you guys can start and implement it literally straight away today. I'll also leave a link to my Twitter and Instagram down below. Feel free to drop me a message on there if you guys need help with anything. But enough rambling on, let's switch over here. You're probably looking at this screenshot here and it obviously sounds ridiculous, and if I was watching this I would think it sounds ridiculous, but honestly it is such a good way of earning some extra money in your dropshipping business. Now I have just put together a few screenshots here of payments I've received from this. You can see there's 3 payments here across a couple of years time span. You've got 2021 and obviously the most recent one being 2022, $1,200 at $904,500. Now you're probably dying to know what this is and how you can get involved, and all this is guys is an affiliate program for Aliexpress, and the program is called Admitad. Some of you may have heard of it. It's very hidden in the sides of the dropshipping app. So I used to use Oberlo to fulfill my dropshipping orders. I now use Deezers or DSers, I can't really pronounce it. I'll put a screenshot of their app on the screen right now. If you used Oberlo in the past, you'll probably be using this now because Oberlo is no more. But essentially every time you place an order on Aliexpress now, you'll get a small percentage of that order back in commission through your account with Admitad. Your balance will build up and you can withdraw that money. So I'm on my dashboard on Admitad, you can see on the screen now. Ignore all of these offers at the bottom here. These are just other affiliate programs that they have on. Obviously we're only focused on Aliexpress here. And if I just move my face out the way real quick, I'll just pop it in the middle. This is a small report and the status of my account. So today I've earned an extra $19 from this affiliate program. I have currently got $450 on hold, and I can currently withdraw $346, and at the end of the video I'm going to withdraw this and show you that it does come through so quickly. Now when an amount is on hold, usually you'll place your order on Aliexpress. Let's say it's a $100 order, and then let's say you earn 3 or 4% commission on that order, so you'll get $4 back into this account, and usually it's held there for around 90 days and then that balance will be moved to your ready for withdrawal. Now you're probably wondering what percentage you'll earn. It varies per category. Some categories on Aliexpress can pay up to 10% commission. Now I am just going to blur out a few columns on this page, but this essentially shows you what I'm earning per transaction. So we will just take the top one for example here. You can see that the order total I spent was $31, and the earnings I got back from that in the commission section is $1.69, which I believe is about 5%, which is obviously very good. So if you are placing orders every day on Aliexpress, I urge you to sign up to this immediately. I'll leave a link down below to Admitad in the description. It is an affiliate link, so it obviously does help me out a very, very tiny bit, and obviously I'd rather be transparent with you guys about that. Now I have just hopped over to the Deezers app guys. Now obviously this is the app that I said is replacing Oberlo, and you're wondering probably how are you going to connect your Aliexpress account or your dropshipping app thing to Admitad. All you need to do is come over to Deezers here, and on the settings page you click settings bottom left, and right at the bottom you've got the affiliate program here. And once you've created your Admitad account, you simply paste your Admitad affiliate code into this box here. You'll click save, and from that second onwards any order you'll make on Aliexpress will reward you with the affiliate commission I've obviously just talked about. Okay, so the only real thing you need to do once you've made your Admitad account is to essentially add the Aliexpress program into your account. Grab your unique affiliate code and then just paste that into the Deezers app, or if there are any other dropshipping apps on Shopify that support this. For now I only know that Deezers worked because it used to work on Oberlo and everything is now transferred over to Deezers. So when you're on the Admitad homepage, if you go up here to the programs tab, click new programs, make sure you just hit the search bar, search for Aliexpress. Now quite a few will come up, you can see at the top here. The one you are going to want is Aliexpress WW. You can see I have already joined this, so click this button here and it will take you to the page. Now this page here essentially is just a big description on what the affiliate program is, but it is very straightforward, and somewhere on this page for me it says leave program because I'm already a part of it. If you just click join program, it will add it to your account, and then if you go back over to programs at the top here, if you click my programs, you'll then see the AliExpress affiliate thing in your account. And then all you need to do from here, I am going to blur my affiliate code out. Just click the join button here and you'll have your affiliate link here. Now you don't want to paste the entire thing into Deezers. You essentially just want to take this last bit of code rather than the full URL. The last bit after the /, you just copy and paste that. You go back over to Deezers and you'll enter it into this box here, copy and paste, click save, and that is you done. And then when you begin to place your orders again on AliExpress, it will take probably about 10 minutes after you've placed your order for the sale to report onto your earnings here. And you can just see over the last 30 days, I'm earning about $5 to $10 a day. Since August 1st, my sites have gone a bit crazy, as you've probably seen in my previous videos. So I earned $50 from affiliate commission on August 1st, and you can see it's currently at about $20 a day. And I only use AliExpress for about 20 or 30% of my order fulfillment. I work with a fulfillment agency in China. So just imagine what these earnings would be if I did every single order through AliExpress. And that is all you guys need to do. If you are having trouble setting this up, drop a comment down below, message me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll gladly help you out if you're not able to get this to work. And as promised at the start of the video, I'm going to withdraw this balance here just to show you how very easy it is. So I've hit the withdraw button just there. I have my PayPal account linked to this. You can see the available earnings here for withdrawal are $346. I'm going to click transfer funds. My apologies guys, I didn't realize they've added a new feature. You essentially withdraw your money into the Admitad earnings account. From this account here, you then withdraw to PayPal. So if we go to Admitad earnings here, you can see my current balance is now $346. If I just click the balance, I can click withdraw funds, and then I'll obviously blur out my PayPal email, but I'll select PayPal, hit next. They obviously take a small fee of 2.5%, click withdraw, and you can see it has all been done here. And you can see I've just hopped over to my email account that's linked with PayPal, and you can see that Admitad have sent me the total value of the withdrawal we've just made. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have found this very useful, and I really do hope you'll be taking advantage of this. It's free money that you are leaving on the table. So get signed up right now and start clawing back a bit of commission from every time you use AliExpress to place your dropshipping orders. More Shopify dropshipping and Google Ads videos to come. Admitad link will be in the top of the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.